Hey, what's up everybody? It's Isaac Ramirez coming to you with your market update. So here are the numbers for the month of November. City of Fresno, right now, active, there are over 776 homes that are for sale in the median list price of $300,000. $168.89 a square foot, with the total days on the market at 43. So just in time for the holidays, you have over 776, maybe 778, 79, because they say every 10 minutes a house list, you have options. Now, as far as homes that sold, in the month of November, we had 482 properties that have sold in the city of Fresno. And guess what the sales price was? Yeah, sales price was $284,900 at $167.67 a square foot, totaling only 16 days in the market. So that means that homes are still selling, and they're selling fast. Now let's move on to Clovis. Clovis, 268 properties that you could currently choose from, with a median list price of $399,000 and $475. I did read that right, had to double check it. $191 a square foot and 31 cents gets you into a home. And Clovis seems like homes are beginning to sit on the market at 44 days. Now, on to the sold. 91 homes have sold in the month of November. That's not that many, but good truth is they were only 25 days on the market, and the list price was sold price was $325,000, which is $187.50 a square foot. So with the market currently what it's doing, if you're pricing your property correctly, you are still getting offers. In fact, you're getting multiple offers, and I'm noticing personal little note here, the cleaner the property, the better. Whether that be updates, cleanliness, yeah, hit those baseboards, fresh coat of paint, all those things are making the biggest difference. Those homes seem to be moving quicker, and multiple offers. So once again, Isaac Ramirez with your November update. Take care.